Hey, what's going on? Prashil here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the third generation AirPods. So let's get into it. Alright, so setting this aside here, let's take a look at the box. So right off the bat, you've got the image of the new AirPods, and they look pretty similar to the older generation, just with a shorter stalk, and it doesn't have the tips that's included with the Pro lineup. Alright, so having a look at the top here, it says AirPods, which is, by the way, MagSafe enabled, so you can actually use the MagSafe charger on this, even though I wouldn't exactly recommend it as MagSafe is quite slow. So yeah, charging it via cable I think is still the way to go. And taking a look at the back here, you can see that the case is quite similar to the Pro lineup. So yeah, let's peel these tabs off and get into it. Alright, so on the back it just says AirPods with MagSafe charging case. And yeah, let's take this off. Designed by Apple in California, of course. Let's have a look at some of the documentation that's included. AirPods and the quick setup guide, as well as some other safety warnings. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the AirPods themselves. And there you have it, the third generation AirPods. And just to have a quick comparison with the AirPods Pro, as you can see, the case does share some characteristics with the AirPods Pro case, but it is actually in fact smaller. And pretty much everything else is the same, it's just a shrunk down case of the AirPods Pro. And flipping this open, there you have it, the new and improved AirPods. And let's just do a quick comparison with the AirPods Pro. As you can see, it's quite a similar design, except the third generation AirPods are lacking the tips that are included with the AirPods Pro. So let's set this aside here. Now, one thing I do like about this new design is that the actual length of the stalk is shorter than on the previous generation. Now, I like this design because it's actually less conspicuous than the previous generation, and it's less likely to fall out of your ear. Alright, so let's make a direct comparison with the AirPods Pro. And as you can see, the design is almost identical actually. The only thing this is lacking is the tip that comes with the AirPods Pro. But other than that, the design is pretty similar. And there you have it. This is my unboxing of the third generation AirPods. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, guys and girls. It'll really help me out. And yeah, I guess we're out of time. So I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.